Hey YouTube, today we are going to learn about Angular routing. Routing means what? To navigate from one view to another view, we use routing. So over here we will see that how to route in Angular. So for that, create two components from which we can navigate from one view to another view. So over here I have already created one Angular application and create a component like ng, g for generate, c for component, then folder name / your component name and enter. Then your component will be created over here. Now create another component, that is about us. Yeah, see, our two component has been created over here, about us and home. Now what you have to do for routing, open the app routing.module.ts file and import both these two components. Import from the location of your component component / suppose home, then home component.ts, and write the name over here, home component. Same for the another, that is about us, then about us component and about us. Now what you have to do, go into the routes object and define the path. Suppose I am writing over here path, then give the name of particular path and component, that is home component. Now suppose we are leaving it blank, then first run the application and see what will happen. If you will see it as a blank, then the by default will be called the home component. Or without routing, if you will try to access particular component, then you will face the error that I will show you, that which type of error you will face. See, my application has been run over here. Now suppose our by default component has been called, that is home component, and now if I will try to access the about us component, then I in the view I will not face any error, but in the console if I will see, then I will face the error that a particular route doesn't match. So for that, now if you want to access the particular component with the name that you want to enter, so just define that name, home, and same for the another. Path, then component, and define the name over here. Now if you will access that name about us, then you will not face any error and you will be able to access that the component that is about us, that is over here. Now for the some attraction or some addictive code, just open the app.component and define the two URLs so that easily we can navigate and get the idea. Router link, now define the route, that is you can directly access, or otherwise you can access like home. First I will see, and define the name over here, home, so that we will be able to see the two. Navigate. Oh, this is some error. Router link, sorry, spelling mistake is there. Router link, that is work like a href we use in href in HTML. So if I will click on home, the home component has been called, and same for about us, and give the path name. See, if I will click on home, then I will access home page, and about, then about us page. So guys, keep in mind that you have to define the name in the router link which you have assigned in the routing file in the path. So this is all about the routing. If you have any question, then you can comment me, or you can also ask for another video. Thanks guys.